Diocese of Philadelphia announced today 2 high schools will be closing. Hallahan Catholic Girls High School. Hallahan is the oldest all-girls Catholic high school in the Archdiocese at 119 years old. Their mascot is Mickey Mouse, the only high school the Disney family granted that to back in the 30s. Today's also the very day Mickey debuted on film in 1928. Today, how about that? Both schools will be closed for good at the end of the current school year. The Archdiocese blames declining enrollment. Hallahan is operating at only 36% of its enrollment capacity. McDevitt is at 40%.
Catholic Girls High School staged a walkout over the impending closure of their school today. The protesters plan to walk from the school to the Archdiocese of Philadelphia building. The organizers invited students learning remotely to join them. This week, the Archdiocese announced it will close both Hallahan and Bishop McDevitt high schools at the end of the year due to declining enrollment. Hallahan High School are staging a walkout today. The girls are protesting the announcement that their school in Center City will close at the end of the school year. After walking out at 10 o'clock, the students will then walk across the parkway to the Archdiocesan headquarters and hold a protest. Hallahan was the first all-girls Catholic diocesan high school in the United States. It opened back in 1911.
Hello. This video is going to be the first of many that I'm going to post this coming month and week, talking about something that is greatly impacting me and my community currently. So, my school is John W. Hallahan Catholic All-Girls School. Currently, the Archdiocese of Philadelphia is trying to take that away from us, take away our school and take away our history and future. That school I chose out of all of my schools because they had everything that I was looking for and everything that I needed. In my 2 years that I've had there so far, I'm a sophomore, has impacted me and my sisters greatly. I have this platform on YouTube, and I know it used to be bigger than it is now, but I want to try to reach as many people as I can with this video. Get the word out and get voices heard. I want to make noise from this. I want to make noise from this whole thing because I don't want my school and my history and my future to be destroyed because of lack of funding and lack of girls coming. This video is going to spread awareness of the school, talk about it, and show you the history and the people. I have so many videos that I want to include that I can't because there's music involved and there's so much movement, but I want to make this video reach as many people as I can, and I know YouTube's algorithm will not show it to people if it has copyright laws inside of it. So, I'm here, and I'm going to try to make my biggest impact that I can with the platform that I have and spread awareness and spread this video as far as I can and spread all of the videos that I'm going to make leading up to it. The last day that I think I might have ever had in this school, everyone's voice is heard. So today, this morning at 10 a.m., today is November 20th, 2020. We found out this news during this week. We got an email and we didn't even find out. Our school was not really properly informed until recently. And now, I'm sorry this is so bad quality, but this is the best I've got. It's hard. So many tears that I've shed, and I know a lot of other girls have shed, because Hallahan is our home. Hallahan isn't just a school, it is our home, it is where we thrive, it is where our blood and tears have been put into the school, our sweat, our memories, everything is in that building that they are trying to get rid of. Any girl that lives in Philadelphia, look into Hallahan if we can get this up and running again and it doesn't get destroyed and all of our history gets removed. Try to get as many people to come to Hallahan and want to come here as we can, because I don't want to have to relocate and go to a different school. I want to graduate with my sisters. I don't want to have to spread across the whole city again. I've done so much to get where I have now and have the memories and bonds that I have now. My cheer team, for example, is one of my favorite things from Hallahan that they're trying to remove, and our community, they're trying to get rid of it. But we have to make noise to make it not happen, to keep the school up and running. If we sit quiet, nothing's gonna change. We need to show them how much history they're getting rid of, and how much Hallahan means to not only me, but all of my sisters. One reason that they are closing is because not many girls are going to Hallahan anymore, because it's an all girls and it's a Catholic school, which is scary to most people because they aren't educated on it. If you are a girl and if you are a mother or a father that has a girl growing up, send them to Hallahan if we can get this up and running again, because we need the numbers and we need the people and we need the funding, because right now we are all struggling. But as I'm saying this, nothing of my words is going to change anything except for you saying it yourself. I'm going to include some clips and videos and pictures of my memories at Hallahan that I've made so far, and some impactful things from in the walkout that happened this morning. So next video is going to have all of the same elements, just with music added to it, and then natural, authentic videos of the girls singing, walking down the street, holding their banners and holding all of their stuff and making their impact and making noise. We need to get this to as many people as we can. I thank you for sitting here and watching this. If you did so far, please share it to as many people as you can to try to get this movement up and running so we can keep our school and keep our home. Please, that's all I can ask of you, and that's all I can ask for. Well, here's some clips and videos, and I thank you for listening, and thank you for watching. I hope this video can impact the movement, and my platform makes my voice reach to other people. I appreciate all of you. Let me just stop talking and get to the videos.
I don't know either. Let a blood shine a song from our hearts for all the girls of the Hallahan High. Mothers and sisters and knowledge and might, religion's grand alike. She's given us now of the mightiest from and wilderness standard west. Triple Ellington in Sparky alumni stars. All girls on the Hallahan High! All girls on the Hallahan High! Let the blue and the white in the radiant light. Our Father glorified! Our Father glorified! In another school. This is our home. It's a second home to most of us. But a first for them who can't have their own home or feel like home in their own house. Yeah.
Can't be broken by a building. It's beyond the building. When that building's long gone and we are gone, that sisterhood is still gonna be there. I made bonds that are gonna last a lifetime. I would have never met half of the girls if it wasn't for that building over there.
Right now are all my sisters that I've made throughout these 3 months. And 3 months is too short for this to be taken away from us already. Every bond that I've made with these girls, it was hard, and we worked for it. We're already dealing with too much with Corona. We don't need our school taken away. We can fix this. It's never too late for this. We are strong, independent young women, and we will not back down without a fight, a peaceful fight. Let me say, because we're not doing that. Hallahan is the best thing that ever happened to me, and most of these other girls, it's the whole reason why we're out here today. We will not give up.
No.
We can't give up.
No.
Alana.
What's your name?
Alana McNally.
Can you spell it?
Oh, it's me! Look, I'm in there!
Oh my God, that's us right there.
Catholic Girls High School. The impending closure of their school today. The protesters plan to walk from the school to the Archdiocese Philadelphia building.
I'm truly asking you guys to please screenshot, pause, screen record at any point of this video and share it with the hashtag Save Hallahan and the hashtag Hallahan. Spread the word, even if you live on the other side of the country. If we get loud and we get heard, anyone sharing this will help. Thank you for listening. Please, it doesn't take much to post something about it. Try to make a change. My Instagram will be linked in the description. And yeah, thank you.